Hey everybody, on this video we got a 2008 Mazda 3 door lock, and we're going to pick it with the Mazda. It's the MAZ24 Lishi. Ignition on these cars has 10 wafers, the door only has 8, so we're going to be doing 3 through 10 here in the door. And I've already done this once here, so I've got the code and already cut the key and everything, so I'll show you that when we're done picking it here. And as far as Lishis go, this is one of the easier ones to use. It's up there with like the Nissan and like the Chrysler, maybe even easier actually. Alright, so all the way in the lock here, and figure out. Okay, so we got evens going up, evens going down, odds going up. And we're going to just go through, look for something binding. So springy, 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 and 8's binding. Click on 8 and we got some rotation. Okay, and 9 is still springy, 10 springy. Head back to the beginning here. Alright, 3 is binding. Nice, click on 3. Head over to 4, springy. And 5 is springy, 6 is springy. Okay, 7 was binding, got a tiny click on 7. Okay, 8 feels good. Number 9. Okay, 9 is now binding. Click on 9, and 10 is binding. Nice, click on 10. Okay, 3 is a little bit springy. Okay, 4. 4 is binding. Click on 4. 5 is now binding for sure. Click on 5. Okay, 6 is binding. Click on 6. 7 is springy. Okay, 8's binding again here, so we're going to click on 8 there, and now we got it picked open. So from here we'd be able to actually decode it. I'll show you that real quick here. I'll start on 3, and 3 is reading a 4. And next one is reading a 3. 2. It's like a 3. 4. 1. 2. And a 3. And then from there you'd be able to put it in the code fill program, which I did and got the key code for it. The first 2 cuts were 4 and 1. There was only one possibility, so I went ahead and produced a key for it, and key works nicely. So and it's just a quick demo here of the MAZ24 Lishi. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments, and maybe even subscribe to the channel here if you like this Lishi stuff. Here I've got some more Honda locks, some Mitsubishi locks since on my last trip to the junkyard that we're going to be doing some videos on here in the near future. So stay tuned for that, and we'll talk to everybody later.